Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to another class. The topic for today is vocabulary around the house. The objective is to increase a student's vocabulary, right? But first of all, we are going to start with a spelling activity, right? In this column, I'm going to spell some words. I'm going to spell 3 words, right? And you have to write these words here, right? And after that, you are going to transform these words into numbers. For example, here we have the word example. E, number 3, 9, X, number 9, M, number 6, and so on, right? Okay. And I wanted you to remember the vowels too, because this is the most confusing part of spelling, right? Do you remember the letter A? This is a vowel, right? A. This is E. Remember, E. This is an E, right? This is I. This is I, right? And we have O, right? And U. Ready? Okay. The words are, the first one, C, L, E, A, N. C, L, E, A, N. You got it? Very good. Okay. Number 2, M, A, K, E. M, A, K, E. Very good. The last one, number 3. S, E, T. S, E, T. Very good. Okay, my dear students, at the end of this presentation, I'm going to show you what are the answers, right? Okay, but first of all, do you know what is housework? What kind of activities do you like to do in your house? Okay, today we are going to talk about the housework. In the activities that we do in our houses, we have clean the house, cut the grass, do the dishes. Look in this part. We don't say wash the dishes. Well, it is possible, but the expression is do the dishes, right? Es posible decir wash the dishes, lavar los platos, pero la expresión en inglés es do. Do significa hacer, ¿verdad? Pero en inglés esta es una frase idiomática, ¿sí? Vamos a usar do the dishes, right? This is the most common use. Cut the grass, you know what is the meaning of grass? Grass is? Very good. Cortar el césped, right? Okay, next. Do the laundry. We don't say wash the clothes, right? We say do the laundry. This is lavar la ropa, right? Hang up the laundry. Colgar la ropa. Rake the leaves. Do you know this es barrer las hojas, pero con esa escoba de metal que es más o menos así, right? Something like that. Okay, now we have dust the house, limpiar los polvos de la casa, right? Feed the dog, obviously, here you have the dog, right? And you have to feed. Fold the laundry, doblar la ropa, right? Iron the clothes. Iron the clothes. It is planchar. Very good. Mop the floor. Mop the floor. What is mop the floor? Very good. Trapear el piso. Paint the house. Pintar la casa, obviously. Sweep the floor. Barrer. Take out the rubbish. Sacar la basura. Or you can use take out the trash or take out the garbage, right? And we have vacuum the floor, aspirar el piso. ¿Sí? Y también tenemos, also we have walk the dog, sacar a pasear al perro, walk the dog. And also we have work in the garden, trabajar en el jardín, clean the windows, wash the car, water the plants. Here I want you notice that water is not only a noun, but also it is a verb, right? Quiero que se den cuenta que esta palabra water no solo significa agua, también se le puede usar como un verbo y significa regar. The plants, regar las plantas, right? Now, this is a common question that we have already done, right? Aquí tenemos una pregunta común que siempre nos hemos hecho, ¿cierto? Que ya nos hemos hecho antes. What's the difference between make and do? Do you know the difference between make and do? Okay, today we are going to reinforce this, okay? We use make when someone create, construct, or build something. Usamos make para cuando alguien va a crear, construir algo, ¿verdad? And we use do when someone perform an action, activity, or task. También usamos do cuando alguien va a realizar una acción o una actividad que ya sea, que tiene un proceso, right? And also we have to use make when we refer to preparing food and any kind. También usamos el make cuando nos referimos a preparar comida, ¿sí? And we use do when we refer to work of any kind. También usamos el do para referirnos a algún trabajo, ¿verdad? For example, do your work, do homework, do housework, do your job. We use make. Here is the most clear part, I think so. When this activity usually creates something that you can touch. Usamos el make cuando la actividad que realizamos va a crear algo que nosotros podemos palpar o tocar, right? And we use do when this activity doesn't produce a physical object. Y también usamos el do cuando esta actividad que realizamos no produce un objeto físico. Por ejemplo, haz tu trabajo. ¿Qué trabajo? ¿Cómo podemos tocar ese trabajo? ¿No? Es algo un poco abstracto, right? Okay, now here you have the answers. Let's see how are you in spelling activities. The first word was clean, 25326, right? The next word was make, 5253. And the third word was do, 36, right? Okay, now we are going to work in our book. Okay, please open your books in page number 45. We are going to work in the vocabulary around the house. What we are going to do? We have to classify these words according to the verb, right? It means write the words or phrases next to the appropriate verb. Some can go with more than one word, right? Okay, let's see. Your bed. What expression we are going to use? Very good. We are going to use make your bed, right? Okay. Or we can use also make dinner, right? Very good. Here we are going to use make your bed and make dinner, right? Okay. For do, we are going to use do the dishes, excellent. Do the shopping, right? Very good. And also do your homework. 3 expressions or 3 phrases, right? Clean. Clean the windows, right? Very good. Clean the windows. Clean the table. Clean your bathroom, right? Very good. And also we have set. Set the table. You know what does it mean, set the table? When your mom said, set the table, you have to put the plates and also the spoons in the correct place, right? Poner la mesa, set the table, right? Poner la mesa. Okay, set the table. And what else? No more. I think no more, right? Set the table. Wash. Wash could be wash the window too. Podemos usarle también wash the window and wash the dishes. As I already said, ustedes pueden usar de las dos maneras. Wash the dishes or do the dishes. But the most common use in English is do the dishes, right? Okay, my dear students, that's it for today. But we are going to finish our activity socializing the questionnaire, right? Now we are going to have 5 questions more. We finished yesterday in question number 5, right? Now we are going to do question number 6. Add the phrase in bracket to send to the sentence using that or who and relative clauses, right? Here we have the man is in the garden. The man is wearing a blue jumper. What do we have in common in these both sentences? Very good. We have the man, right? And the man is an object or is a person? Of course, it's a person. What do we use? Who or that? Excellent. We are going to use who, right? The man who is wearing a blue jumper is in the garden, right? Very good. Okay, the next. They call a lawyer. The lawyer lives nervy. What do we have in common? Very good. We have the lawyer, right? And the lawyer is a person. We are going to use who, right? They call a lawyer who lived nervy, right? Number 8. They live in a city. The city is in the north of England. What do we have in common? The city, right? The city is an object or a person? Very good, it's an object. What do we use? Who or that? That. Excellent, very good. They live in a city that is in the north of England, right? Okay, we broke the computer. The computer belonged to my father. What do we have in common? Very good. The computer is an object. We are going to use that, right? The answer is, we broke the computer that belonged to my father, right? And question number 10. We are going to use the relative pronouns who, which, or whose in order to complete these sentences, right? Okay. Do you remember when do we use who? Very good. We use who for people, which for objects, and whose for possession, right? Very good. I live in a house in Norwich, right? Is in East Anglia. What do we use? I live in a house. We are talking about the house. The house is in clear, right? Okay. We are going to use which because it's an object, right? Okay, the last one. I talked to the girl. Car had broken down in front of the shop. Yo hablé con la chica o la niña, la chica. El carro se había dañado enfrente de la tienda. ¿Qué usamos? Whose, which, or who? Very good. We are going to use whose because it's possession. Vamos a usar whose porque es posesión. Yo había hablado con la niña, la cual su carro se había dañado enfrente de la tienda. Okay? Okay, my dear student. That's it for today. Have a nice afternoon. Bye, students.